obviously had all that rain. Water removed, continue taking off layer by layer. Make sure you leave the skeleton pedestalled. Yeah, so it's got earth underneath it so you can see it. And photography, yeah, as you go down, documenting what you're doing as you're going. Okay, what the students are doing at the moment is they're carrying on from a previous lecture in forensic anthropology where they are recovering 2 sets of human remains that have been discovered, and they're collecting them as per the procedures for forensic archaeology. Once they've done that, they will be taken back to the laboratory where the bones will be examined for injuries, wounds, etc. to try and identify how the person died, if it was mysterious, or if they're older than they appear, whereupon they would come under the archaeology side of things. Anything over 70 years is not classed as suspicious, or they don't tend to look at it as being suspicious, and it doesn't fall under the remit of the police. But that being said, if obviously wounds are found, then we'd need to look at that and identify. That's what the students will be doing next, but at the moment they're recovering, and it takes us a while because they're only taking small layers of earth off from around the bones to leave the bones on pedestals of earth in order to be documented. Then we can start the recovery process.
It's fun, it's practical, and the teachers are really nice. I just think it's really interesting.
What are your sort of favourite projects that you've worked on?
Probably this, actually. Even though it's hard work, it is good. So yeah, and I like forensic psychology because that's quite interesting too. But we haven't done any proper projects on that yet. And the photography.
What do you want to do in the future after you've left?
I want to go to uni. I want to get my degree in forensic psychology, and I think I want to be a profiler.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
We learned about it literally the other day, but it looked really good. So yeah.
So you learned of it, and then you thought,
yeah,
that's what I want to do.
I just want to do this, but I feel like profiling's kind of, I don't know. I do like doing this, but I just feel like it's very hands-on and you have to be really careful.
Doing qualitative tests for amino acids. So they have some amino acid samples, alanine, albumin, which albumin is present in egg whites. So they are experimenting on test identification for amino acids.
2 jugs into 1 minute, so that into there, mix them apart. Then we have the Belgian drift. We've got 5 jigs in there, 5 jigs in there, and then we put another one of the 1% of the iodine in here, and we mix it with an inhygen, and it just needs to sit into the warm bath. About, I think, is it about 1 minute? I think 1 minute, 2 minutes.
We're doing applied science forensics, level 3, first year at Brooklands College. We do the basic chemistry, biology and physics. We're currently doing chemistry, seeing how spirit burners heat up things and how much mass they lose.
And what aspects of the course do you like so far?
I really like psychology because we also do things like psychology, where it comes under things like criminal profiling, etc., and things like environmentals, where we use bug cycles to figure out times of deaths, and archaeology and anthropology, which is bones and obviously digging up bodies and remains. My favourite is psychology so far. I just like the way of criminal profiling, where you can basically get a whole offender's profile out of nothing.
So can I ask why you chose Brooklands?
It's very local to me, and it's the only one I really found that does forensics specifically, instead of doing things like criminology and stuff like that alone. It's the only one I found nearby that does forensics in itself.
And then what do you want to do after the course?
I do want to go further into forensics and the police force, to maybe crime scene investigation or anthropology.
1, 2, 30.
32. I'm lighting it.
Food you can compare with others.
Wait.
Alright, now we need to. Do you want to put that in?